Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Lexus ES350 with key full guide. Start by locating the mechanical key inside your key fob and use it to unlock the driver door immediately. Then open the interior panel to access the emergency key cylinder if needed. Keep the key fob battery fresh and know how to remove the panel safely to avoid. Removing the mechanical key is simple and quick. Press the small release tab on the fob and slide the metal key out gently while holding the fob steady. If the key feels stuck, wiggle slowly while keeping pressure off the release. Once removed, check the key and fob for grime or corrosion and swap the battery if remote functions are intermittent to prevent lockouts. Insert the mechanical key into the driver door lock and turn it with steady, moderate force until the door unlatches, avoiding excessive torque to prevent breakage. If the lock resists, a small amount of graphite lubricant helps free the cylinder without gumming it up. After gaining entry, fold or remove the ignition cover as instructed by the owner manual and use the key fob or backup start procedure to power up the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.